A truck that looks like it was carved out of a sci-fi movie. A pickup that hits 60 miles per hour faster than many supercars, yet carries your surfboard, your tools, and your groceries. A vehicle that challenges everything you thought a truck could be. This is the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck, a shock to the automotive world. Stay with me, because by the end of this review, you'll understand why this metal beast might just change how we think about power, luxury, and everyday driving. We live in an era where cars are more than transport. Their identity, statement, and lifestyle. And seldom has a vehicle stirred as much emotion, controversy, awe, and debate as the Cybertruck. From its angular, stainless steel body to its electric heart beating behind the wheel, it doesn't sit softly in a category. It shatters them. This isn't just another EV review. This is a full-on deep dive into what happens when bold design, radical engineering, and modern expectations collide. We'll examine its power, its quirks, its comforts, and what it feels like to own something built for the future now. The Cybertruck at a glance. The 2026 Cybertruck comes in multiple configurations, from a single-motor rear-wheel drive, long-range/base-ish variant, to a dual-motor all-wheel drive, AWD, and up to the full-blown tri-motor Cyberbeast. It's not just a pickup, it's a bold statement. The idea: merge utility, brute strength, electric efficiency, and futuristic design. The Cybertruck isn't built for quiet suburban subtlety. It's built to be noticed, to perform, to challenge the status quo. Performance, battery, and charging. Under the hood, or more precisely, beneath the floor, sits a massive 123 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack. The dual-motor AWD delivers roughly 593 horsepower, while the tri-motor Cyberbeast cranks output significantly higher, delivering blistering acceleration. According to tests, the tri-motor variant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.6 seconds. That's supercar territory, but with a pickup's practicality. Top-end range is advertised in the ballpark of 325 to 350 miles, EPA estimate, on a full charge depending on configuration and usage. Charging is solid too. The Cybertruck accepts high-power DC fast charging, thanks to its 800V architecture and modern charging design, allowing substantial range recovery in a short time at high-capacity chargers. But the Cybertruck doesn't just bring you from A to B, it can also power your home or tools. Through its vehicle-to-load/vehicle-to-home outlets, in the bed and sometimes in cabin, dual-motor and tri-motor versions can output continuous AC power for external devices, turning the truck bed into a mobile power station. In essence, electric power, supercar acceleration, pickup capacity, all rolled into one. Exterior and design: the look and feel. Walk around the Cybertruck and it hits you. This isn't ordinary. The shape is faceted, brutalist, unapologetically geometric. The bodywork isn't plastic-coated paint, it's stainless steel exoskeleton. Flat planes, sharp edges, an almost futuristic industrial chassis that refuses to blend in. There are no soft curves, no attempts to dress up the pickup as a luxury SUV. Instead, you get bold minimalism, a statement that screams strength and endurance. The bed is full-sized, the cabin roomy, but the aesthetic stays raw, purposeful. Smart touches accompany the raw design. The tonneau cover on AWD/higher trims. Underbed storage, clever aerodynamics for efficiency, and a design language that demands attention whether parked on a city street or rumbling down a desert highway. Interior, comfort, and utility features. Inside, the Cybertruck continues the philosophy. Functional minimalism meets modern electric luxury. The cabin seats 5, 2 in front, 3 in the rear bench. Controls are simplified. Gone are the cluttered arrays of buttons. Much of the interaction happens through a large central touchscreen, and sometimes supplementary screens, covering climate, media, navigation, and vehicle settings. Yet practicality hasn't been abandoned. The bed is long and wide, with underfloor storage and flexible layouts. For those who think of a pickup as a workhorse, the Cybertruck delivers, with the added benefits of electric efficiency and minimal maintenance. The ride quality, thanks to adaptive air suspension, balances comfort and utility. Whether you're gliding through city streets or navigating rougher terrain, the suspension helps smooth the journey while maintaining the range and capability balance. The result, an interior that feels modern, versatile, and surprisingly comfortable, with the toughness of a true pickup under the skin. Technology, steering, autopilot, security, and power outlets. This is where Cybertruck stands out among trucks and many luxury vehicles. First, its steer-by-wire plus rear-wheel steering system, a modern electronic steering architecture. No traditional mechanical linkages in some versions, allowing for more precise control, compact turning radius, and smooth adjustments. Paired with that is adaptive air suspension, meaning the truck can raise or lower itself depending on load or terrain, balancing ride comfort, off-road clearance, and aerodynamic efficiency. On the safety/assistance side, the Cybertruck comes standard with Tesla's autopilot suite for lane keeping, adaptive cruise, highway assist, blind spot monitoring. Though, as with all Tesla models, it remains a driver assist system, not full autonomy. For security and utility, thanks to its vehicle-to-load/vehicle-to-home outlets, the Cybertruck can supply AC power to tools, appliances, or even a home backup. That transforms it from just a truck into a mobile power plant, extremely useful in emergencies, remote work, or adventure contexts. In short, the Cybertruck isn't just strong and fast, it's smart, versatile, and future-ready. Everyday driving, work, and lifestyle utility. Imagine you live in a city. You commute to work, you run errands. Maybe you tow a trailer on weekends or haul tools. The Cybertruck handles it all, yet still feels like a luxury vehicle. In gridlock, its adaptive suspension and electric torque make everything smooth and manageable. On the highway, range and speed let you cover long distances. But maybe you're not commuting. Maybe you're heading to a remote job site. The truck bed, power outlets, and robust battery let you carry gear, power tools, even charge other devices. Camp out ready, work ready, daily drive capable. Or maybe you're a weekend warrior. Surfboard in bed, friends in the back seat, road trip on the horizon. The cabin offers comfort, the bed offers utility, and the powertrain offers both silent efficiency and spirited acceleration. This is not a niche dream truck. It's an everyday tool, reimagined for the 21st century. Value and why it's a shock. Here's why the Cybertruck hits like a shockwave in the automotive world. What it gets right. Supercar-level acceleration plus pickup utility plus long electric range. Electric powertrain, low maintenance, instant torque, zero tailpipe emissions. Multi-use power outlets/V2L and V2H capability. A mobile power source, not just transport. Adaptive suspension plus steer-by-wire. Modern ride quality and control that defies its size. Bold design that polarizes. You stand out, but also stand for something. Innovation over tradition. As with any EV, charging infrastructure still matters, especially for long hauls. And real-world range can vary widely based on load, speed, terrain, and weather. The shock factor, the Cybertruck demands boldness. It isn't polite. It doesn't blend in. But perhaps that boldness is exactly the point. The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck isn't for everyone, and that's the beauty of it. It doesn't try to please all. It's a statement, a challenge, a glimpse into what vehicles of the future can be: fast, powerful, efficient, versatile, and uncompromising. It combines utility and performance, work and weekend, practicality and sci-fi bravado. For those willing to accept its truths, raw design, minimalist interior, electric heartbeat, it delivers something unique. This isn't just a pickup reinvented. It's the future arriving in angular stainless steel. If you could own one vehicle for the next 5 years, and it could be anything in the world, would you choose the 2026 Cybertruck? Why or why not? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every one. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe for more luxury car spotlights and full EV breakdowns, and share with a friend who needs to see this.